Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am going to talk about a very small portfolio that I am creating to generate a consistent income, right? So the whole idea behind this portfolio is to create income through dividends, interest, and some return of capital. I will explain more about it in a little while. I'm very excited about this portfolio. This is not a huge part of my net worth at all. A very small, negligible part. It's a experiment that I want to do with myself. From taxation perspective, also I'm doing it in an account where it won't be taxed at all. The tax will be negligible or at 10%, so it's manageable. So before we start and before I tell you more about this portfolio, I want you to take a look at another YouTube channel that I have started with my wife. And in the first video, we are talking about how and why we quit our jobs and how our journey has been after quitting our jobs. So do take a look at it. I'm linking the channel here and also in the description below. So now अभी start करते हैं friends. Let us understand what exactly is this portfolio. So in this portfolio, I have picked up three real estate investment trusts, two infrastructure investment trusts, and one company which will pay out dividends, right? So before I show you the portfolio, let me talk a little bit about REITs, InvITs, and the company in which I am investing, right? REITs क्या होते हैं? What are REITs? REITs are real estate investment trusts, right? So these trusts pull in money from investors and then with that money they buy real estate, they put it on lease, उसको lease कर देते हैं वो लोग, और वो lease से जो rental payments आते हैं, those rental payments are distributed among the unit holders, right? It's like a mutual fund only, but with a specific objective of buying real estate and then putting that real estate on lease and collecting rental income from that. Similarly, these infrastructure trusts, I have two power related trusts in me, which will lease out power transmission lines and collect income from the power transmission lines and similarly distribute this income to its unit holders, right? तो इसमें तीन तरह के payouts होते हैं. पहला पे आउट होता है डिविडेंड पे आउट, सेकेंड होता है इंटरेस्ट पे आउट एंड थर्ड होता है कैपिटल पे आउट, राइट? सो ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में मैं एक अलग वीडियो करूंगा जिसमें आई विल टॉक अबाउट REITs एंड इनविट्स इन डिटेल. फॉर नाउ यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि इसमें तीन तरह के पे आउट होते हैं. तो ये डिविडेंड इज टैक्सेबल इन द हैंड्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टर टुडे, तो जितना डिविडेंड मिलेगा वो टैक्स लगेगा. इंटरेस्ट विल बी टैक्स एट योर स्लैब रेट, अगेन सेम. तो इंटरेस्ट पे भी टैक्स लगता है एंड देन जो कैपिटल रिटर्न होता है वो टैक्स फ्री होता है, राइट? सो थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हैपेंस. So which are these REITs and InvITs in which I am investing? Before I tell you that, let me talk about the stock that I am buying slowly, very slowly in very small quantities. So I am also buying Tata Investment Corporation, right? So Tata Investment Corporation, it's trading around 1500 rupees as of today. इसमें इन्होंने recently अप्रैल में 55 rupees का dividend announce किया था, so which is around 3.5+% का dividend yield है उसमें. And the good thing about this stock is that it's a म्यूचुअल फंड ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. अगर आप इस स्टॉक की बैलेंस शीट देखेंगे, इस कंपनी की बैलेंस शीट देखेंगे, तो इसमें आप देखेंगे कि इन्होंने बहुत सारे टाटा कंपनीज और आउटसाइड कंपनीज अदर देन टाटा कंपनीज के ये लोग स्टॉक्स होल्ड करते हैं. सो अगर इनकी फेयर वैल्यूएशन निकालेंगे तो इनकी फेयर वैल्यूएशन अराउंड 3900 रुपीज़ की, और जो डिस्काउंट है the current market value versus the fair value of all the stocks that they hold is around 60% discount, right? So it's a very good deal wherein अगर ये जो डिस्काउंट का जो गैप है अगर ये नैरो नहीं भी होता है तो आई विल स्टिल बी होल्डिंग एन एसेट विच हैज़ दिस डिस्काउंट एंड सेकेंडली इट विल कंटिन्यू टू पे आउट डिविडेंड्स. अगेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इज नॉट टू मेक कैपिटल रिटर्न्स हियर, ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू हैव अ कंसिस्टेंट फ्लो ऑफ इनकम for a foreseeable future, right? So with that objective in mind, I think this stock fits very well. And again, जैसे जैसे ये underlying portfolio of the companies which Tata Investment Corporation holds, अगर आप उनकी ये जो आप लिस्ट देखेंगे, इनके ये इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं, तो इनकी जैसे वैल्यू बढ़ेगी तो टाटा इन्वेस्टमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन की भी वैल्यू बढ़ेगी और डिविडेंड पे आउट भी बढ़ते रहेगा, राइट? सो दैट वेज आई डोंट हैव द रिस्क ऑफ लूजिंग कैपिटल हियर एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट आई विल नॉट दे विल नेवर स्टॉप, आइडियली दे शुड नेवर stop paying out dividends as well, right? So with this objective I have invested in this. Like I told you friends, this is not an investment advice नहीं है, तो आप इसको investment advice की तरह ना consider करें. ये सिर्फ मेरा एक छोटा सा experiment है. Even if I lose all the money, it will not matter to me, right? So now let me show you the portfolio. So आप देखेंगे मेरे portfolio में I have IndiGrid, Tata Investment Corporation, like I said, Power Grid, VIRAT. This is which is one of the real estate investment trusts. Second is Mindspace. Third is third is Embassy Parks. So all these three are real estate investment trusts. So if you see the yield on these companies, the Power Grid, IndiGrid and Power Grid trusts give me a very high yield of 8.8+%. इसमें basically these have a limited life. I will talk about more in the next video about all these things, and the REITs are giving me 5+% of yields. Ideally, I would want to buy these stuff when they are cheaper because the yield will be higher, right? अगर ये expensive होते हैं तो मेरा yield कम हो जाएगा. तो ideally, I want an yield of 6% or more when it comes to REITs, and any stock that I buy, I will want a yield of 3% or more for the foreseeable future. So अभी के लिए मैंने सिर्फ टाटा इन्वेस्टमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ऐड किया है. अगर आपके पास कोई स्टॉक्स है जो आपके माइंड में है तो आप ज़रूर मुझे कमेंट करके बताएं. आई विल लुक एट दो स्टॉक्स एंड सी इफ आई शुड ऐड देम टू दिस पोर्टफोलियो और नॉट. सो फोक्स, इफ यू सी दिस शीट अगेन, ये मेरी अप्रैल की बाइंग है. अप्रैल में मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 40,000 रुपीज़ की बाइंग करी है. अब मई और जून में मैं कितनी बाइंग करता हूँ डिपेंड्स ऑन दी कैश फ्लोज दैट आई हैव. माई आइडिया इज दैट आई वॉन्ट टू जनरेट 1 lakh rupees per month of expenses from this portfolio, for which at an average yield of 6%, I will need around 18 lakh rupees worth of total holdings. So I should reach there in 2-3 years max, and I should be able to generate income of 1 lakh rupees per month, per annum, from this portfolio, which will pay for my 1 month worth of expenses at least, or the near abouts, which is decent in my opinion. So folks, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. अभी मैं what I'm going to do is मैं every 3 months इस portfolio को update करते रहूँगा. I will come back with another video after 3 months to tell you how what changes I have done in this, if any, how much I have additionally bought in the next 2-3 months, and then we will continue to do it every 3-4 months and see what happens in the next 4-5 years. It's a very interesting journey. Only issue is that अगर आप 30% tax bracket में हैं तो you should take care of your taxation and make sure that you do not buy such stuff, because ultimately after tax it will you will end up with lower yields. But if you have someone who does not pay any tax, then you can buy in their own account to make full use of these yields and use these cash flows. That will be helpful for you to generate some income. Again, this is not an investment advice, so please don't consider it as an investment advice. आप अपने advisor से consult करें. This is just a personal experiment for me. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope you are all doing well.